Hello everyone, this is Ivy. I am in the SWOP exhibition now. This time we show our new model quad sealed bag packing machine for quad bag. The bag has 2 gaskets. Here is our big electrical box. It has 10-inch touchscreen, easy to operate. This is our horizontal bag given device. It can put more than 100 bags at one time. The sections set the bag, and then the clampers clamp the 4 sides to open the bag. Here is second station for printing. This is our standard printer ribbon printer. The third station is for opening bag. Open top and bottom. This is our fourth station for filling. The product falls into bags through the hopper. Here is second station for printing. This is our standard printer ribbon printer. The sixth station is for nitrogen gas flushing and sealing at one time. This is the high concentration nitrogen gas flushing device. The nitrogen gas content can be up to 98%. The last 2 stations are both for sealing. Then the bag will be output through the conveyor. If you have any packing projects, please feel free to contact us.